My name's Sue, and I wanted to talk to you about a great product I came across called Pop On Veneers. And for anybody that has a fear of the dentist like I do, understands that, any help would be great without having to go see the dentist. So I came across this advertisement for the Pop On Veneers on, I believe it was Facebook, but did my research, looked into it, looked at all the reviews, talked to customer service, which I thought they were amazing, and thought, okay, I'm going to give it a shot. So they sent me out an impression kit, which had 3 different impressions to make. The video was spectacular. It showed you exactly how to do everything. Although I screwed up the first time and didn't put the first impression in quick enough, so it hardened before I got it on my mouth. So I did the other 2 impressions and sent them all back and let them know that. I had received an email a couple days after I'd mailed it out, and they said, that they were done incorrectly, but they were going to send me another impression kit out for free, which I thought was fabulous. So within a week, I got the other impression kit and thought, okay, I need to do this correctly. So I did, sent them back, anxiously awaited that email saying that I did them right or wrong, and I had done it right this time. And in about 3 weeks, I finally received my final product. So, my teeth, I've always been known to have a beautiful smile, big, bright, beautiful, long, just like my mouth. But it got to the point where I couldn't really smile a whole lot because of the missing teeth on the top, like I'll show you now. That's so ugly. But, so I would always be like, or if people made me laugh. So I was very skeptical, but now that I've received these, I'm going to try them on for you, and let's see how they do. Okay? They also give you your impression kit back, which I thought was really cool because it actually shows what my impressions look like. Okay? They also give you a little case to put your teeth back in, which is amazing. Okay, I'm nervous. All right. So here they are. They're so cool. All right. Ready? Let's try the first ones on. And the bottom teeth. You hear them click? Oh my gosh. These are amazing. I'm so excited. I cannot believe this is the outcome. They fit perfectly. I love them. Oh my God. Look, no more spaces. Oh my gosh. And look. It looks like I have teeth. Oh my God. Thank you, Pop On Veneers. I could not ask for a better product for the price. It's amazing. I think I need to get used to talking in them, which probably won't take very long. But they're smooth. They fit perfect. And oh my gosh, I can smile again. Thank you so much, Pop On Veneers. You have no idea.